Today I am going to tell you about the JavaScript function. A JavaScript function is a block of a code designed to perform a particular task. A JavaScript function is executed when something invokes it or call it. Example: function my function p1 p2 within a simple bracket. Then in curly bracket you have to write the return p1 into p2, where p1 p2 is the parameter of the function. And just see how you can create a function. In this we have to write this example: call a function with perform a calculation and return the result. In a script we write function my function p1 p2 return p1 into p2. Document get element by id demo inner html my 4 3. So 4 will go into p1 and 3 will go into the p2, and it will calculate 4 into 3 equals to 12. How? Let's see. When we write this, then it 12. This is how it calculate and give you a result. Next, this is the syntax of the function. First I have to write the function, then parameter p1 and p2, then return value of p1 and p2. A JavaScript function is defined with function keyword followed by name followed by the parenthesis. Function name can be contain letter, digit, underscore sign, and dollar sign. Same rule as variable. The parenthesis may include a parameter's name separated by commas. Parameter 1, 2, 3. The code to be executed by the function is placed inside curly bracket. So write the code within the curly bracket. So here I have written function name, parameter name, and in curly bracket you have to write the code. Here we return a function my function p1 p2 to invoking the function my function, and then in curly bracket we have return p1 and p2. So it will calculate the 4 into 3 and return to the 12, and you will display on the my get element inner HTML. Inside the function the behave as a local variable. जब फंक्शन के अंदर हम डिफाइन करते हैं तो इट विल वर्क लाइक अ लोकल वेरिएबल. फंक्शन इज मच द सेम as a procedure or subroutine in other programming languages. Function invocation. When you call the function, it is called the invocation of the function. When an event occurs, when user click a button, when it is invoked, call the JavaScript from JavaScript code automatically self-invoked. You will learn a lot more about function invocation later in this tutorial. Function return. When JavaScript reaches the return statement, the function will stop executing. If the function was invoked from the statement, JavaScript will return to the execute the code after invoking the statement. The function often compute a return value. The return value is returned back to the कॉलर. जहां से प्रोग्राम आता है वहीं पे वो वापस चला जाता है जब हम कहते हैं रिटर्न. यहाँ पे हम लोग ने लिया था वेरिएबल x इज इक्वल कैलकुलेट द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स एंड रिटर्न द रिजल्ट. वेरिएबल x माय फंक्शन 4, 3 up to x. Function my function ab, you can write a parameter ab, and you can give the parameter by during the invocation of the program. So here I define the variable x, and my function 4, 3, it will invoke this function, and here the a equals to 4 and b equals to 3, and then when you write 4 into 3, then it will give you a 12 as I already show you in a program. Why we use a function? You can reuse code, define the code once and use it many times. You can use the same code many times with different arguments. So produce a different result. In place of 4 and 3, if you give some another value, then it will also give again the return according to the given value. So we can reuse this function again and again by changing the value of 4 and 3. Convert a Fahrenheit to Celsius. This is another example of the function where we are converting the Fahrenheit to the Celsius. For that you have to define function to Celsius f. Return f 5 by 9 into f minus 32. The conversion of Fahrenheit to Celsius, and f is the value of Fahrenheit. So you have to give this value to Celsius 77. When we give 77, then f will equals to 77, and when we minus 77 minus 32, then it will give you a return value. How it will give you see in this one. Control 20 will give you 25. Now calculate it. 77 minus 32, how much? 45, and 9 fives are 45. So it will divide the 45 by 5, and 5 into 5 equals to. So it will give you a 25. Okay. Now next, the operator invoke the function. The operator can also invoke the function. How? Let's see. Function to Celsius. How you can do it? Here 2 Celsius if you write, and within a bracket a value, same example, a function used a variable. Function can be used the same way as you use variable in all type of formula, assignment and calculation. Even you can use the function like a variable. How? Instead of using variable to store the return value of the function. So write 2 Celsius 77. Now you are invoking the function from this way. So come here. Either you can write this way, or you are taking the information in x value. X is equals to 2 Celsius 77. X is equal to the temperature is x plus Celsius. You can also use the function directly as a variable value. So here you write variable text, the temperature is 2 Celsius 77 plus Celsius. This 2 Celsius will invoke this function and give you a return value. Now local variable. A variable which is defined within the function is called a local variable. So here code cannot be used car name, function, my function, variable car equals to Maruti. Code here can use car name. In a function, you have defined the variable car name equals to Maruti. So this car name is a local variable which is used only in function, not outside the function. So outside the function, its value will be changed, and so it is not a global variable. There are two types of variable, global and local. So here I am defining car name within the function, so it is a local variable. Now do this practically so you will understand. My function script, function, my function, and variable car name equals to Maruti, document get element by demo1, inner HTML, type of car name plus car name. After this you write document get element by demo2, inner HTML, type of car name. So what it will give you, just see. Within a function, I define car name as a local, and this is a function which is a global function. So within a function, it will give string and Maruti, and after the function undefined is undefined, or outside my function car name is undefined. कुछ भी लेने से ये undefined बोल देगा, because this is not a global variable, it is a local variable. अगर बाहर हमने कुछ डिफाइन किया होता तब वो एज अ global variable लेता. So this car name only used within the function. So this is called local variable. Now next, JavaScript object, real life object property method. Here if you are taking a car name is Fiat, car model is 500, car weight is 850, car color is white. So method is car start, car drive, car brake, car stop. All these are the method of the object. All car have the same property, but the property value differ from car to car. All car have the same method, but methods are performed at different times. When you have to stop, when you have to run, when you have to brake, you don't know. You have to do it according to the requirement. JavaScript object. You have already learned the JavaScript variable or container for the data value. The code assigns a simple value Fiat to the variable name car, where car equals to Fiat. So how you will define it in the function, in the program? Here you have to write JavaScript variable id demo, create and display a variable car equals to Fiat, document get element by demo inner HTML car. I think you know how to display it. Objects are variable too, but in many values. This is a simple variable, but when we define the object, then we can define the same object different property within the object curly bracket. So variable car, when we define variable car within a bracket, Fiat, model 500, color white, then I am describing three property of the car within a object. So this is the variable and this is the object. So come here and write this plate. In first I am describing about a car as a variable, and in second I am defining the car as a object. So run it. In first it is giving Fiat, I have written car type is Fiat. Just see, the car type is car type, and a car type is Fiat. So I call the value of object by writing car dot type. When we write, suppose I write a car dot model, then it will give you 500. If you write car dot color, then it will give you a white color. Now objects are variable too, but can contain many values. The values are written as a name value pair. Name and value separated by a colon. The JavaScript object are container for name value called property or method. Object definition. For writing an object, you have to define it by giving within the curly bracket, as I told you earlier, and separated each value by colon, and write the string within the quotes. Then this way you can define the object, and then now you have to check the object value. For that I told you, you write the variable name and then property name by using dot between them. Old, 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 old. So it will write all the information. Control B. The Sumit Goyal is a 40 years old. पर्सन फर्स्ट नेम क्या है सुमित, देन लास्ट नेम क्या है गोयल, देन पर्सन एज इज 40, देन you have print control B, then you will get the Sumit Goyal is 40 years old. So this way you assess the object property. And next, space and break are not important. An object definition can span multiple lines. Suppose your object definition is too big, then you can also write this by giving the space. First name Sumit, last name Goel, age 40, eye color blue. And suppose you want to assess it the same way, you can write for person first name is person age plus year old. Only the writing method is different by using the space to clarify the property to the clear way. Object property. Name value pair in JavaScript object are called property. The first name is a property and property value is a Sumit. Same way the age and last name and eye color. Assessing object property. Already told you how to assess by using dot command with object name. So object method. Object can also have a method. Methods are action that can be performed on object. Methods are stored in a property as a function definition. So when you define first name, last name, age, eye color, and you define full name and function, then return this first name and this last name, and this is the way you can make a method in object. So full name is your method in which you have defined function, return this first name and this last name. The function defined this refer to the owner of the function. In this example above, this is the person object that owns the full name function. In this word, this function, this first name means the first name property of this object. Assess the object method. Now, assess the object method. The name person full name. Here you are defining the variable name and assessing it from a person by full name. So in name it will give you a Sumit Goel. The document HTML JavaScript object, and object method is a function defined stored as a property. So how you will run it? If you assess a method without a bracket parenthesis, it will return the function definition. First of all, do that one. Function variable object. Function variable object ये हो चुका है. Function method. So now run this. This will give you a Sumit Goel. This is referred to the object. Here this is referred to the object person. In place of person you can write this. On another example, if you access an object method without bracket, it will return the function definition. How? When you write without, it will return the function definition. So it will say function return this F name and this last name. It's not showing Sumit Goel. It return the function definition. Now next, don't declares the string number and boolean as an object. When JavaScript variable is declared with the keyword new, the variable is created as an object. Whenever you want to create an object, you just write variable x new string, variable y new number, variable z new boolean. Avoid string number and boolean to use as an object. They complicate your code and slow down execution speed. Slow down the execution speed. So always use number string and boolean as a number string and boolean. Don't use it, declare it as a string number and boolean. For detail, in next turn I will tell you why. So today's lecture is finished. Thank you viewers. I hope you are enjoying the JavaScript and trying to make it, use it and try to make the web page of your own. Thank you viewers. Today's lecture, please if you like it then describe and subscribe and describe it to others and share it to others so they know that I am taking the JavaScript this time. Thank you viewers.